what happens when you mix aspirin and baking soda. So as a chemist, aspirin is acetylsalicylic acid, and baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. And so what we're going to do here is, first of all, you need to grind up the aspirin tablet so that it reacts better. So what I did is I basically folded it in a piece of paper and smashed it with a meat mallet because that's what I had available in my kitchen. And then I took that aspirin powder and an equal amount of baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, in a small jar, and I stirred them together with a kitchen knife. Then I added water, and then we're going to observe. So what just happened here? So what we observed is fizzing. So there was a fair amount of fizzing when the water was added to the mixture. So chemically, what's going on here? So aspirin is an acid, and it reacts with the bicarbonate or baking soda, which is a base, an acid-base reaction. And when that happens, this hydrogen on the acetylsalicylic acid is removed. It's not there. And the products that you get are carbon dioxide, which is a gas, so that's what that upwards arrow means. It fizzes out of the reaction mixture. And then some water, which you really don't notice because it just adds to the other water that you already had there.